And finally, with Chandrababu Naidu taking charge as Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister for a fourth time, Amravati land prices have spiked as the Chief Minister has made it clear establishing the new capital for Andhra Pradesh will be a priority for his government. Aishwarya Jain reports from Amravati.
For the past few years, the future of Amravati as the capital city of Andhra Pradesh has remained uncertain. However, victory of the TDP, Jan Sena and BJP alliance has cleared the doubts, renewing real estate buyers' interest. The recent pronouncements by the state government have indicated a renewed focus on developing the region.
Amaravati anangane ollu palakalistundi. అమరావతి రాజధాని పేరు కూడా ఈ అమరావతిని చూసే పెట్టామని మరొక్కసారి విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నా.
This has instilled fresh hope amongst investors and potential homeowners, leading to a surge in land prices.
So after the CBN came, they are very happy right now. So the land prices increase, I can say as a square feet, that and all, it will be almost double.
The announcement of renewed development efforts has certainly generated a positive buzz. Local real estate agents have reported a significant rise in inquiries and a subsequent increase in land prices.
Now price increase because world-class city increase price.
According to sources, land prices in some prime locations have doubled or even tripled compared to what they were a few months ago. Land prices in Amravati prior to 2019 stood at Rs 25,000 to Rs 60,000 per square yard. After YSRCP came to power, prices dipped to Rs 9,000 to 18,000 rupees per square yards. Now land prices hover in the region of Rs 30,000 to 60,000 rupees per square yard. A renewed focus on Amravati's development has certainly brought a wave of optimism to the region.
2014 में जो अमरावती पैदा हुई बाबू के सरकार में या जमीन का रेट 1 एकड़ का 1 करोड़ रहा था स्टार्टिंग 1 करोड़ से उन 5 साल करने के बाद 3 करोड़ तक चले गया 5 साल के अंदर बाबू 5 साल सीएम रहे ना वो 5 साल में 1 करोड़ से 3 करोड़ तक गया 2019 तक बाद में 2019 में जगनमोहन की सरकार आई वो 3 करोड़ का दाम 50 लाख को आगे गया.
The rising land prices reflect the positive sentiment, but it remains to be seen how the state government navigates this growth to ensure Amravati's future as a vibrant and sustainable capital city.
Before 5 years is development here. So for example, TDP government is God. So there is a visionary leader. So that's what so many people invested to here because he will take some investors like IT companies, any otherwise some like other infrastructure he will develop.
As soon as Chandrababu Naidu took the oath of the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he promised to revive the Amravati capital city project. Soon after that, we have witnessed a sharp hike in land prices of Amravati. Now investors are looking with a great opportunity to invest in the state. This is Aishwarya Jain with the regionalist Sheikh Momin for NDTV in Amravati.